Hi guys, in this video we're going to learn how to make 3D title effect using Filmora 13. First of all, go to the Title tab. In the left panel, go to 3D Titles. Here we've hundreds of 3D titles in stock. You can choose your favorite title pack. Double-click on any title effect to download the title. Now drag your favorite title effect onto the timeline. Now double-click on the layer. Replace the name with your name. You can also change the font if want to. Now render playback for smoother playback. Here we've made our first 3D title. You can also do same customization for another title. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.